Molson Coors makes beer. We have more than 5,000 employees, and we sell beer in almost every market around the world. We've been using SAP for 15 years. Currently, we have 7 countries using SAP. We have 7 ECC instances and 3 BW instances. We use SAP BW for every reporting need of the company. Based on the KPIs we build with BW, we can improve in almost every department. We chose SAP BW on HANA because we heard a lot of good things about it. And after the acquisitions we made, we had a need to grow our BI space. Another reason why we went on SAP BW on HANA is because the BW night schedule was getting longer and longer. Some finance reports were not available on time. It was causing a lot of frustration on the business side. The move from SAP BW to SAP BW on HANA involves a database migration only. The BW application layer is not affected at all, so there's no effect on the business users. We started by doing the sandbox and dev environments. Each of those took us about 6 weeks. The production migration was done in 1 weekend. Overall, it went really well. After that, we were live. In a short time, we started to see real benefits. With SAP BW on HANA, all the complex calculations that were done in SAP BW can now be done at the database level, which was not possible before. The whole design in SAP BW becomes much simpler. The BW nightly schedule now finishes every day before 8 a.m. So when the business comes at work, they always have their data on time. We're able to act more quickly to answer business needs when new projects arise. We can now develop a prototype in 1 day instead of 5. The end users are really happy that they can get that prototype so quickly. One example of something we can do that we couldn't do before is to analyze sentimental analysis based on social media. Now we have more insight about what people think about our brands, and it's all thanks to SAP BW on HANA. In BW 7.4, there's a new object called the field-based DSO, and it allowed us to develop a solution in half the time than it took on BW 7.3. We saw a lot of other features that seem very interesting. One was the smart data access, which allows us to reduce our design time even more. As we move forward with SAP BW on HANA, global reporting becomes much easier, and it allows us to make acquisitions in a much more efficient way. Molson Coors has a great potential to grow. I think in the next 5 to 10 years, we will achieve our goal of becoming one of the top 4 global brewers. SAP helps Molson Coors run better.